Hello everyone, I'm Oshwara. Today we are discussing about that the permanent today we are discussing about class 12 physics chapter number 5. In this chapter we will discussing about that the permanent magnet and the electromagnet principles are there. So what is the difference, basic difference of the permanent magnet and the electromagnet are there. So substance which at room temperature retain their paramagnetic properties along the period time is called the permanent magnet. Permanent magnet can be made in a variety of the ways. One can hold an iron rod in the north-south directions and hammer it represented repeatedly. That method is illustrated in the figure I was already shown you. The permanent magnet is that poles. See here, the pole permanent magnet is the two poles are there, N and S. Okay, then what is that? The north pole and the south pole are there. It has also on magnetic fields are there. See here, it is also magnetic field are there. We have already known about that the characteristic of the fields are there. So what is the characteristic field of that? Then after VGS, then after electromagnet. In this lecture, how they are created, also the magnetic field and also its use. So first of all, permanent magnet hold the magnetic force are there, cannot be turned on and off. Okay, now see here, use of the free magnets, speakers, electric motors, and many more deep uses are there. See here, permanent magnet are there. The refer the ends of permanent magnet either north or south pole. Okay, so it has a either north or south pole. That determine.
Hello everyone. So see here refer to the end of the permanent magnet either north or south pole are there. So see here this is the permanent magnet are there. So see determined by the its charge placement of the electron. See there the end or as two poles are there. See the end or two as two poles are there. North pole or south poles are there. So this is our permanent magnet are there. So due to the permanent resistance around the magnet current carrying body in which magnetic force are observable. So see here there are the S or N two poles are there. This the magnetic field lines are there. See here this another is that. See here this is look like that. So this is our magnetic field. If suppose it's a become a bigger and bigger on that time what will happen? See here. See this is a bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So in these directions there are the magnetic fields are there. So it is going to the N to S phenomena. And also whenever it will be N to S, so it means it will be starting from here. It will be starting from here and it's going to in these directions. And in the bar magnet there are the S to N magnetic fields are there. So see here there are the field lines are there. Okay. So this is our permanent magnet are there. Now see here the difference, basic difference are there. The magnetic field collide and push against each other when the two repelling when the two same poles are there. Like poles want to repel to each other on that. Now we are discussing about that the electromagnetic fields are there. So in the electromagnet what will happen? In the electromagnet is that use electricity to create a magnetic fields are there. So see here they can be controlled turn on and off. Okay, electromagnet can control the by turn on and turn off. Also their force of strength of field can be controlled. If we require the more strength of the field we can control by control, and if we require large strength on that time then also we can control this phenomena. So this is the basic thing are that. So for the electromagnetic materials are that. So see here the electromagnetic fields around the wire. So there are the wire electrons are move around them. So see here current carrying wire, it has a needs to have an electron flow. What we require? It's need to require the electron to flow. So this is the requirement of that. Determining the directions of the magnetic field. So how we will determine? The left hand rules are there. So the left hand rules are there. Grabs a wire with your left hand with your thumb pointing in the directions of current flow. Then your fingers around the wire point in the directions of the field. So creating the larger magnet are there. So coil each loop Each loop of coil has a small amount of magnetic pull. When the loops are added together, the coil being to act as a magnet with the poles are there. So see here that the electromagnetic fields are there. See what will happen whenever we are using that the electromagnetic fields are there. On that time there are the something fields are there. So strength of the electromagnet depends on the three main things. First one is that the number of turns in the coil. Second is the more turns in a coil, the stronger the magnet. Third thing is the amount of current in the coil. And also if the voltage is increased, so will the current which will increase, the strength of the magnetic field increase. Now the strength of the electromagnet is that the permeability of the core material. How much is that? So permeability. So the permeability, the ability of the material to be magnetized even temporarily and the transmit magnetic force are there. And also the air would make a weak magnet, iron would make a strong magnet are there. So this is the permeability of the core materials are there. So the putting electromagnet to use, see here, the solenoid is an electromagnet with the movable core called the plugger. Here this is our movable core called a plugger. See, this is our movable core plugger. See, so this is our basic things are there. Now use of the solenoid. How it's used. So it is used to the electrical relays are there. So there is the use of electrical relay and after buzzers. Okay, in the school there are the buzzer, bell. Also, so this is a switch. Switch also used as a switch. And after a lock also built solenoid use. See here how it's used. Relay solenoids are there. So see here the cell start motors are there. So see this is a ground battery. Whenever your key will switch on that time, start the motor. Okay, it will be a relay solenoid. There are here. It's a relay solenoids are there. It's look like that, and it touch at here, and it will produce the it will be start from these solenoids of the car will be start from the solenoids are that. So see here now other use of the electromagnet is the transformer we have already studied in the last chapters what is the transformer, how it's used in the electromagnetic materials are that. So we know about that. And after also used as an industry. Okay, industry sensors. Okay, whenever you are going to the airport, railway station, bus station, there are the metallic thermal there are the metal detector machines are there. So these machines are also become a electromagnet. Okay, so and also the motor and generators are there. So see here the magnetic. Now it's questions for you something. Magnet that hold their magnetic force and cannot be controlled are called blanks are there. It's a permanent magnet. Now refers to the region around a magnet or a current carrying device where magnet force are observed, where the magnetic fields are there. So see here. Now another thing is that how is the direction of magnetic field determined around the current carrying wire? So we know about the left hand thumb rule. Also, what three things determine an electromagnetic strength? Number one, number of turns, current through the coil, permeability of the core materials are there. Okay. So see here, this today our topic is that. So guys, if you can't understand any kind of things, then comment in the comment box. So and also you can not know about the proper in this lectures, then also you can comment from which point you cannot understand. So thank you guys, thank you so much.